People often ask me, what does chickens eat? They eat anything. Here's some pizza. Here's some pizza! Anything you throw on them guys to eat. Now my eggs. This dog was born in 2011. And she still grooms herself and grooms all the dogs on the farm. Including these two dirty bastards. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Wake up every morning, feed all of our babies. These Zion Somalis, they need to go outside. Gidget was very on point. It's hard to fill my shoes getting up this early every morning. God bless you for making subscribe.
Calendar. We put this, and a whole shitload of this.
In there. Don't see anybody on. Come on, baby.